Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to start selling print-on-demand t-shirt on Teespring. Teespring is a platform that allows anyone to upload a design, and from there you can start your t-shirt business. To get started is completely free. So you're going to go onto teespring.com and then you're going to tap on Start Creating. After you have tapped on Start Creating, from there you will be able to create an account using your Google account. So you can use your email address to sign up. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. On this dashboard, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to select Create Product. After you have selected Create Product, you will be redirected to a new dashboard, and from here you have a few options. You can either select from one of their best sellers, or you can scroll across and you can select another option. Normally I would select the best seller right there, and you can choose the product colors that you would like to use, and you can select up to 5 background colors as you can see right here. So I'll be selecting these 5 colors. After you have done that, you can add an image. So the image, or better yet, the platform that I would normally use to create my logo is Canva. And you can use Canva to create a t-shirt logo for completely free. So once on canva.com, you're going to simply type in t-shirt. And then from there, you can see numerous templates that you can quickly edit. So all you'll need to do is scroll down. Once you have found a template of your liking, you can select it. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that says crown, that has the crown right here that says pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can use for free. For example, this one, then you'll tap on customize. Once you have done that, you can add your own personal touches. So for example, you can see this one says just keep moving forward. If you like to make any changes, you can do that real quick. Then you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner, select download, then tap on download once more. Once your design has been downloaded, you're going to go back into Teespring and you're going to tap on add image. Then from there you can select the design, then tap on open, and you can see design has been added right here. Once it has been added, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can edit the price. Depending on the price you choose, your profit will fluctuate. After you have chosen a price of your liking, or if you work with their preset price, you're going to tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, from here, if you would like to add your design to other products, you can do that. So if you'd like to add it to women t-shirt, you can do that, to mugs or so on. You can select that as you can see right there. You can select up to 15 different products that you can quickly add your design on. Once you're okay, you're going to tap on continue. Then from here, you can add in a title. So for example, I'm just going to call it just keep moving. So I'll do that real quick. Then you can type in a description. So let me add in a description right here. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down. And from here, you can add in your URL. So my URL is going to be just keep moving. So let me do that. So you can't leave any space. So you'll leave it as is. So I'll say just keep moving. As you can see right there, already in use. So I'll put the 1, 2 at the end. After you have done that, you can choose the visibility. You're going to leave it at public. Then after doing that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on launch listing. Once you have done that, your listing will now be live, and I'm going to be showing you how it looks. So you can see right there, it is now live. If we were to tap on view listing, it is going to carry us to our store. So you can see it right there, and you can select the different colors as you can see right there. Now that we have created our store, I want you to go back to the main dashboard and you're going to go over to the left hand menu option. From the left hand menu option, I want you to tap right where you see settings right here. After tapping on settings, you will be redirected to this page. On this page from here, you will have more product preferences that you can edit. For example, if you would like to change the currency or so on, you can do that. You can also tap on payouts from the left hand menu option. After you have tapped on payouts from here, you will be able to edit your payout. For example, if we were to tap on settings and scroll down, so from here you'll be able to enter your PayPal address, so you'll be able to receive payment using PayPal. You can also view your listing by tapping on listing. From here, if you would like to order a sample, you can do that. If you would like to delete the listing, you can do that by tapping on the trash can. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.